Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Motorola Razr 70 Ultra. Okay, before we launch our WhatsApp, we gotta go to our settings and then click on the Google. And you gotta make sure that you're signed in into the same Google account that you have selected before when you were creating your WhatsApp backup. Because if you'll be signed in into the wrong account, you won't have possibility to restore your chats. So that is why it's good to check it before we begin. In my case, I'm signed into proper account, so now we can launch our WhatsApp. Select your language, then click on Agree and Continue, and in here now we gotta type our phone number. Then click on Next. Click on Yes. Now we also need to verify our phone number, and we have a few ways how we can do it. We can use the missed call, we can receive the SMS message, or get the voice call. I always pick missed call, because in my personal opinion it works in the best way. Click on Allow. Okay. We can click on Continue, click on Allow, Allow, and Allow All. And now select Restore from Backup and click on Continue. Now our chats are being restored and it has completed. Click on Next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you're interested. Then click on Next. You can also add your email if you're interested. I'll skip that for now. And now as you take a look, everything has been successfully restored, including videos, photos, and of course normal messages. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.